Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from a quick weekend trip yesterday. Right now it's early Monday morning and I am ready to get my whole house cleaned up, ready to get things back to normal, get back into a routine. And so that's what today's video is going to be. This is going to be a whole house clean with me. I will give you a quick walkthrough of the house first just to show you how messy it is. It's not like overly messy today, but it just needs that good whole house cleaning. So starting off here in the laundry room, it's not too bad, but this floor really does need cleaned. It doesn't show up on camera when the floor is dirty, but trust me when I say that the floor does need swept. And here in the kitchen, we've just got dishes. There's some dishes that have been in the sink since I left last weekend, so I really need to get that sink scrubbed, get the dishwasher started. And walking over on this side of the kitchen, it's not too bad, just some stuff on the counter and table, but like I said, the floor really needs swept. It really needs mopped. And we'll walk over here into the living room. I've got all of my bags. When I got home yesterday, I just sort of dropped everything at the door. I was so exhausted. I didn't bother unpacking anything. Got some stuff over here on this table that needs cleaned up and some stuff over here. Got a few things here on the ground. Kyle's bag full of clothes from when he spent the weekend at his cousin's. I need to do some cleaning here in this living room area. The couch needs vacuumed off there. And my bathroom really needs a good cleaning. My drawers got so unorganized when I was packing stuff up for the trip, and now I've got a bunch of stuff on the counter. And then my master bedroom needs cleaned. I need to tidy up my drawers. Got pretty unorganized while I was packing. There's a bunch of stuff on the floor. I had to switch to a voiceover for these rooms back the hallway because my husband just got home from work. He had to work the night before, so he was going to sleep during the day. But here's just a peek at what the bathroom back there and Owen's room was looking like. And now that you've seen how messy the house is, now it's time to get started cleaning. The first thing that I did was to put a load of laundry that I had in the washer into the dryer, and I was going to start the rest of the laundry later, so I just got those put in the dryer, and then I got started on cleaning my bedroom. Also, I wanted to pop in here real quick and let you guys know that I'm giving away this cute purse over on my Instagram. If you want to enter, just head to my Instagram and look for that post. After my bedroom was cleaned, I got started on cleaning up in the bathroom in here. I had my bathroom items that I took on the trip that I needed to unpack, and I also did a little bit of organizing in my bathroom drawers because, like I said, they were so unorganized. And then after that, I got out some of these 7th generation wipes and wiped down the countertops. I also used a little bit of cleaner on the countertops before I started wiping them down just because they were really dirty. When they're really dirty, I like to spray a cleaner on first, and then I will use one of those wipes on the counter. Now my bedroom and bathroom are all spotless clean, and this is why I love cleaning one room at a time when I'm cleaning the whole house, because once you get one room all spotless clean, it gives you inspiration to move on to the next room in the house and get that one spotless clean. And here I was just emptying out our bags from the trip, and just to keep things organized instead of just dumping the bags out into one pile. As I took things out of the bag, I organized them on the floor. Like I had a pile of dirty clothes, a pile of clean clothes, and then separate piles for where things went, like one pile for things that went to the bathroom, one pile for things that went to the kitchen, and so on and so forth. And then after that, I cleaned off this desk and wiped it down with a cloth. As you can see, I'm now working in the kitchen here, getting it cleaned up. I got all those dishes put in the dishwasher. I'm going to get that started. I had a bunch of eggs to wash. There was quite the pile of eggs in the chicken nest when I got back home, so I had a bunch of those to wash and put in the fridge. And then I washed the dishes, cleaned out the sink. And also I forgot that I wanted to share where my skirt was from. This skirt was sent to me by Hello Modest. It's an online boutique. I'll put a link for them and this skirt down below. The skirt is super comfy. The material is so soft. It has an elastic waistband with a drawstring. It's so comfy just to wear around the house while you're cleaning or while you go out shopping, and it also makes the perfect travel skirt. I wore it while I was traveling this past weekend and it was so comfy to wear on the plane. And also, while I'm talking here, I thought I'd go ahead and remind you guys that I always have a link down below for Grove Collaborative. You can get a bunch of free cleaning products with your first order of $20 or more. All you have to do is click that link down below, and I will have all of the items that you get for free typed up down below as well. Right below that link you can see all of that. It's a really great deal. I love Grove Collaborative. All of the cleaning products that you see me use in these cleaning videos are from Grove Collaborative. I got the boys' playroom all cleaned up, then I vacuumed the carpet, and then I moved on to cleaning the hall bathroom. I hope that you all enjoyed this whole house cleaning video and that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration to clean your house, and maybe you were able to clean along with me, or it gave you that motivation to get up after you watch this video and go and clean up whatever you need to clean in your house. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join. Just click the red subscribe button down below and be sure that you click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. Also, you can head over and follow me on Instagram to enter that giveaway, and I will see you next time. Bye!